Good morning, children. I am Vetri Chelvi from Vetri and Vetri NEET Chemistry. Today, before going to the topic, if the viewer is new to my channel, please subscribe to the Vetri and Vetri NEET Chemistry, which is having about 87 videos with the high content for NEET with a lot of tips and tricks. Now, let us go to the class. Today's topic is hydrocarbon. Previous year NEET questions 2015. 2,3-dimethyl-2-butene can be prepared by heating which of the following compound with a strong acid. Repeatedly I am using the important for the reagent. So now I am note down that today's reagent is your strong acid. That is the first point. I am taking point number 1. Next one is called can be prepared by heating which of the following compound to get 2,3-dimethyl-2-butene. You write what we want. This is your butene 2,3-dimethyl. Complete the structure. So this is your thing what we want is. What is the main observation is 1, 2, 3, 4. The parent chain, the main chain is containing the 4 carbon. This is we want. We are provided with the 4 options of that. We have to go on select which is going to give. Now let us see the knowledge. First knowledge is since the main chain is having point number 1, this one is follow. This addition of acid follows the what are the knowledges here? Addition across the double bond. This is follow addition. And then second point is formation of intermediates is carbocation. So stability of carbocation is deciding. Next point is in stability of carbocation there is methyl shift will be there, hydride shift will be there. Beyond that nothing is there. So these 3 points I am keeping in the mind. I am going to find out the knowledges. In the main chain we are having 4 carbon only. Here as already I told there is methyl shift will be there, hydride shift will be there. Because of the shift we cannot have the change in anything in the main chain. So I want main chain with the 4 carbon. So 4 carbon. So let us go on to see the reactant with the main chain 4 carbon mean. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not it is having the for your understanding I am writing it is having 5 carbon main chain. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon in the main chain. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon in the main chain. Here let us come here 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 carbon in the main chain. So we want 4 carbon. So this is only having 4 carbon. So my choice is going to take this one. Let us complete the reaction and find out. So I am up because exam hall I cannot go one by one. We have to go with a short track. So selection is focusing on this. Let us do this reaction. CH3, C, CH3, single bond CH, double bond. This is the first you are writing. Then I am doing, first step is addition of hydrogen. So what addition of hydrogen? Hydrogen added with the richest. Point is it approaches the rich carbon with hydrogen or more carbon. Here across this is rich. So I am putting hydrogen. This is new hydrogen. So on this carbon atom there is a formation of carbocation. So now this double bond is become single bond. Here I am putting. Okay, next what is the thing is you have to remove the hydrogen. Okay, now how you can remove this one? This carbocation is first step over. Before going to the second step, you find out is there is any stability of, or I can write here the knowledge is shifting of the carbocation. So carbocation stability is guiding us. So what is the nature of this carbon is secondary, this carbon is tertiary. So this carbocation will be more happy with this play. So one shift is going on. What shift is you are going on is here from here. This is 1, 2, 3 mean what is understood here. Here it is children. CH3 taken thrice. So what is the knowledge is here I have to put the 1 methyl group. So this is a given compound only. Okay, now this positive charge has to come here mean only what shift is available? Methyl shift is available. So I am going to do the methyl shift. So my work is here methyl shift. Okay, now let us go and complete the reaction. CH3, C, this methyl group is here, CH, and the methyl is occupying, so I am putting here. Then it is already it is written with this CH3. So now carbocation is shifted here and this is positive charge. What is the nature of the carbocation? Is 1, 2, 3 tertiary in nature. It is ended like this, means it is nothing but a methyl group. You can proceed like this because time is very important. Okay, now what is the next one is to get the saturation stability. This positive charge will be moving by removal of one hydrogen. So now this hydrogen is moving out. Now this hydrogen is moving out and the bond has to shift. So the bond is shifting here. Now what is the product I am getting is, let us write here CH3, C, here C to C double bond and C CH3. This methyl group existing as it is. That's all. Now this is the product I am getting, that is compared with our product. What we want is this is. So both are the same. So I am giving the option is D. So like that you can approach the almost correct answer and complete it. So now I am again, my key is this is. What is the first point? Write it. Parent chain is having 4 carbon. In addition, formation of carbocation, their methyl and hydride shift is not possible. So there is no chance of increasing carbon in the main chain. So specific with the 4 carbon, I am selecting this. Now let us go with the eliminating the remaining one. I am writing the first one for how you are getting. Now let me write here. Here it is just for your reference I am writing. So now write is here, you can see here CH3 taken twice. So whenever you are putting in the examination hall, you follow my this place, you please focus it here. This is 2 methyl group. Beyond that you don't waste the time. Carbon double bond CH single bond. Here ethyl group is there, so I am putting the line diagram. These are the tips I am giving. Beyond that don't waste the time. Next one is here, your hydrogen added with the rich. So who is rich here? So now you put it 2 here itself, or remove 1 hydrogen. No time. So I am here itself how to manage the time with the one structure I am teaching. So now what is it? Formation of carbocation is here. So next one is, then you have to remove hydrogen. That is the next step. Now what is your work is, go on straight away, find out the number of carbon in the chain. You see the chain here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 carbon is there. Don't waste the time, just to go ahead. Okay, suppose if it is proceed, mean what will happening? This hydrogen both will be removing and the double bond is forming, and the product we will get it is, now I am putting the product here, removal of this hydrogen, the bond is shifting. So you are getting double bond CH, hydrogen is removing. So you don't do it. Now this one. So this is the product you are getting, where carbon is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon, which is not. So you need not waste the time here. Okay, with that you can stop it. Okay, this is also I am doing for the satisfaction of you. Now I am writing the second compound. You can verify here how I am writing it. CH3 taken twice. You put the CH, put the methyl group. This is enough. Then CH2, CH, double bond CH2. Wherever H2H only put promptly. Otherwise ethyl group coming, you go with the line diagram. This is enough. Next time going to, there is no time. So you do it here. So now hydrogen. So what you are having is formation of carbocation. Here it is secondary. If it is shifting here, there also secondary. So forget it. Then removal of hydrogen means, so before going to the removal of hydrogen, check the number of carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon. Leave it. Don't do it. Then what is else? Level C. For the C, let me do it here itself. Here you, now I am writing for the C. CH and this 2 methyl group, again CH, 1 methyl group, again CH, double bond CH2. So now there is we have to manage it. So I am putting here again single bond, formation of carbocation. Before going to that, go and check the carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since parent is 5, don't go for it. Further, don't waste the time. So like that, you can focus on the answer. Complete. You are satisfied. Means simply you not waste. You can go to the next question. Now I am going to the next question. Children, okay, come on. So knowledge is important, more important. How to approach the question is more important. Now let us see, this question is very simple. The alkene that will give the same product of the with the HBr in the absence as well as in the presence of peroxide. So in the absence and presence of peroxide mean, what is the rule they are telling is Markovnikov rule. Point number 1, Markovnikov rule is applicable for the unsymmetrical alkene only. It requires unsymmetrical alkene, or whenever you are having unsymmetrical alkene, you have to think about it. Now let us see what is it. Alkene will give the same product. So that meaning what? Both things it gives the same product mean, that is the symmetrical alkene. What is the symmetrical alkene? 2 butene your answer because it is symmetrical. Okay, whereas others 1 butane, propene, 1 hexene, all we know they are the unsymmetrical alkene. So when it is unsymmetrical alkene, Markovnikov rule and the anti-Markovnikov rule will be applied, which gives the different products. Here symmetrical, nor working of your anti-Markovnikov, and it gives the same product. So now because of symmetry, I am select this answer. Now let us go to the next question. This question also belonging to the NEET 2015. In the reaction with the HCl, an alkene reacts in accordance with the Markovnikov rule to give a product of 1-chloro-1-methyl cyclohexane. Let me write them. 1-chloro-1-methyl. What I want, I am writing, ma'am. This is your product is your 1-chloro-1-methyl cyclohexane. This is your product. Yes. Okay, now we are getting with the, what is it called, HCl, that is your Markovnikov rule, you apply it. So before that, what it should be, think about, before that what it should be mean, this place should be the carbocation. Before that what it should be mean, in this place HCl, so it should be like this. Okay, the double bond and it is CH2. If it is like that, first step is following this. Next step, like that you are getting product. So your starting material is like that. So your option is A. Then following you are having one more option with the B, A and B. So we have to try for this. So now instead of coming backward direction, I am going forward. So now that is which is easy. So now I am taking here. What is this is written as it is written. So now what is your first step is? First step is your HCl, give the richest one. Here it is the richer, no hydrogen, here richer. So this is the rich place, hydrogen occupied. So now you put it here. Here CH3, here hydrogen occupied means here it is the what is it called as the carbocation is there. So what is the next step is in the step, that is here CH3, there your Cl is occupied, which is your what is it called as a thing what we want. So both are the same. So what is the meaning of it? This is also answering. So my answer is, what is it called? C. Again I am repeating this question, children. I want this. I am here back working. So instead of backward, I am going this direction. Now let us see. First step, the hydrogen is attacking here. Okay, now this is the place where you are getting the carbocation is there. Next step, it is the place where this is attacking. Now let us go to this one. So now what I am having is HCl plus and Cl. H is occupy this places. Richest carbocation is forming here. The next step, there you are attacking with the nucleophile. Now let us complete the channel. Thank you, children.